Hold up, wait a minute. Okay, ChatGPT. I know some of you are like, I'm tired of hearing about ChatGPT. Well, let's hear about it anyway. This is the platform for ChatGPT's main website. When you go to openai.com/ChatGPT/, you get this. And what I love about it is you have all of these interactive prompts. What's a prompt? You ask it something, it does it. You input, output. And if you've never done ChatGPT, you can select Start Now and just log in with Google. But instead of doing that, go to this website, link in description, and select any one of these prompts. And let me show you what happens. This prompt: improve my essay writing, ask me to outline my thoughts. That's just a prompt that it's a recommendation. So if I go and look, it's not even logged in. If I want to sign up, all I have to do is select the sign up link and go through Google. But let's say I just want to practice and play. I'm not sure I want to sign up. Go back, tell me a fun fact about the Roman Empire. And you notice if I hover over any of these moving prompts, it stops. Explain nostalgia to a kindergartner. Now that I want to know. All right, imagine you have a favorite toy or a special blanket that you really love when you were smaller. Nostalgia is the warm, fuzzy feeling you get when you think about how much fun you had playing with that toy or how cozy you felt with snuggling with your blanket. It's like remembering a happy time from the past and feeling happy all over again. Wow. Let's go back. Again, you can hover over any of those moving lines, prompts, and it stops. Give me ideas for what to do with my kids. Art. Let's select it. Still not even logged in. It doesn't matter what industry you're in, you can find something to use ChatGPT for. You can put an input in, ask it a question, it'll give you an output. You can give it a task, create this for me, and you will get an output. Play again, make me a sandwich using ingredients from my kitchen. Let's see what it says, because it doesn't know what ingredients I have. Grilled chicken. Okay, gives you an example. Probably just give the ingredients and it'll create it. Like, this is absolutely probably one of the most intriguing platforms I have used since artificial intelligence. This is generative artificial intelligence. At least play with it. Go to one of my other videos here if you want to learn more in-depth information about how to use ChatGPT. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Turn on the bell and come back often. Thank you so much for watching.